Place the beams in a position where they can easily be set up. Stand up both uprights the distance of the beam. Firmly enter the beam into the upright and use a mallet to securely fasten the beam into the upright. Upon hearing the click, you will know that the safety clip has securely fastened into the upright. You create a complete level when you repeat the same process, but be sure to have the beams level with each other. Use the same process to create additional levels for your unit. Each level will require 2 wire mesh deckings. Place the deckings on the beams and repeat for each additional level.